Are you experiencing PSN error CE-118446-4? Then you are at the right place. Here is how to fix the issue. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. Method 1. Restart the console. This error may appear when there is a problem updating various applications related to the PlayStation 5 system software. When you get such an error, restart the PS5 console. Then try updating again. To restart the PS5 console, press the PlayStation button on your controller to open the Control Center menu. Navigate to the power icon and select it. Choose the Restart PS5 or similar options. Confirm your selection if prompted, and your PS5 will shut down and restart automatically. Method 2. Update via the internet. The next thing you can do is try to update the system via internet. Before you proceed, ensure your PS5 is connected to the internet via Wi-Fi or a wired Ethernet connection. You can run an internet connection test. To do that, navigate to PS5 settings, select network, then select test internet connection. You can also connect another device to the same internet and go to speedtest.net to check the internet speed. Now navigate to PS5 settings. Go to system, then from the system software section, select system software update and settings. Then select update system software and then select update using internet. Follow the on-screen instructions to download and install the latest update file. Method 3. Update via USB drive. If you have any issues downloading the updates following the previous method, try updating via USB drive. To do so, turn off your PS5 console by pressing and holding the power button until you hear a beep. On a PC or Mac, create a folder named PS5 on a USB drive that has been formatted as FAT32 or exFAT. Inside this folder, create another folder and name it as update. Now, download the update file from here and save it in the update folder. Name it as ps5update.pup. Make sure there is 1.1 GB of free space. Now plug the USB drive with the update file into your PS5 console. Now you need to start your PS5 in safe mode. To do that, press and hold the power button, releasing it after the second beep. Select update software, then update from USB storage device, then select OK. If your PS5 console does not recognize the update file, ensure that the folder names and file name are correct. Use uppercase letters for the folder names and file name. Method 4. Delete the game or application. Next, you can uninstall and reinstall the game. In extreme cases, deleting and re-downloading the game can fix the issue. To uninstall a game on PS5, open PS5 device storage, then head to console storage. Then select games and apps. Now select the problematic game and select the delete option. Follow as shown to delete a game or app. Next, reinstall the game from the Play Store and check. Method 5. Rebuild database. Next, you can rebuild the database. To do that, turn off your PS5 completely, ensuring it's not in rest mode. Press and hold the power button until you hear 2 beeps. This will start the console in safe mode, which should take 5 to 8 seconds. Connect a DualSense controller using a USB cable once in safe mode. Press the PS button on the controller, then select clear cache and rebuild database. Select rebuild database from the menu using the controller to navigate. Confirm the rebuild operation by pressing the X button on the controller. Follow the on-screen instructions to proceed. After completing the rebuild process, restart the console. Method 6. Contact support. If none of the above steps work, reach out to PlayStation support page for further assistance. State your problem and follow the on-screen guide provided by the experts to fix the issue. And there you have it. The methods to fix the issue when you are getting error code CE-118446-4 on PS5. We hope one of these methods have worked for you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and troubleshooting guides. Leave a comment and help others know which solution solved your problem. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.